Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to spot for honest, in-depth looks at the best tech gear out there. Today, we're spotlighting what might just be the best HDMI cable high-speed 8K compatible on the market right now. The Highwings Long HDMI Cable 15FT. Let's dive right in. This cable isn't just long, it's powerful. At 15 feet, it's built to give you flexibility in your setup without compromising performance. Supporting HDMI 2.1 standards and a bandwidth of 48 gigabits per second, this cable delivers stunning video clarity at 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz. That means razor-sharp visuals, buttery smooth motion, and zero lag whether you're binge-watching or deep into a high-stakes gaming session. But this cable doesn't stop at just video. With dynamic HDR and immersive 3D support, every scene bursts with color and depth. You'll see details you've never noticed before, and feel fully immersed in your content. And thanks to HDCP 2.2 and 2.3 compliance, you're future-proofed for premium content protection. Now let's talk about gamers. If you're into next-gen consoles like the Xbox Series X or rocking an NVIDIA RTX 3080-3090 rig, this cable is going to be your new best friend. It supports variable refresh rate, reducing screen tearing and delivering ultra-smooth gameplay. Plus, EARC, Enhanced Audio Return Channel, gives you lossless, high-definition audio, perfect for surround sound setups. It's a serious upgrade over standard 4K HDMI cables. Compatibility is another huge win here. It's backward compatible with HDMI versions 2.0, 1.4, and all the way back to 1.1. That means it works seamlessly with your HD TV, Blu-ray player, monitor, projector, AV receiver, and even laptops. Whether you're building a home theater or upgrading your workstation, this cable just plugs in and works. Now durability. This thing is built like a tank. Highwings uses advanced copper wire technology, wrapped in a flexible, durable braided outer layer. That's going to give you better signal integrity and more resistance to interference. Plus, it's CL3 rated, so it's safe for in-wall installation if you're doing a permanent home setup. And we can't overlook the bidirectional transmission. This means the signal can flow in both directions, eliminating compatibility guesswork. Just plug it in and go. The cable handles it for you. If anything goes wrong or you have a question, the Highwings support team promises to respond within 13 hours. That's not something you hear every day with accessories like this. So if you're ready to upgrade to true 8K clarity, immersive audio, and lag-free gaming, the Highwings Long HDMI Cable 15FT might just be the perfect addition to your setup. That's it for today's review. If you liked this video, hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and drop a comment. If you want us to test out any other HDMI cables or accessories next. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.